in jail. Now, I say they should all be lined up and shot.
You don't find it awfully convenient that they've been fingered as the attackers, but we've seen no proof?
Look at Tone! Look at our city! What more proof do you need?
Well, Colin, I'd say you have to look at their history of non-violent action. Albion's put more civilians in the hospital in the past few months than DedSec
Look
ever
at the
has.
spider.
I smell a scapegoat.
The spider.
Now I have Emily calling in. Emily, what's your take?
You're absolutely right, Claire. The government's just framing DedSec because they want to make it seem like they have this under control. They probably had no clue who was behind the bombings. But that doesn't look good on the news, does it? DedSec's been a thorn in their side. Who better to pin it on?
Angie, I have you next. What do you make of all this?
I think, if anything, DedSec showed their true colors. It's terrifying to think we harbored such a dangerous element for years. Terrorists in our own backyard.
Do you find DedSec more frightening than the different gangs in London, like Clan Kelly?
Clan Kelly might set your shop on fire and maybe they'd kill you, but even they wouldn't try to blow up all of Parliament.
They actually have this type of robots already.
Do you feel safer using a pseudonym?
Everyone should. Why make it easier for them to track you? And now we've seen what they're capable of and how far they're willing to go.
Hold on. Do you mean the government? Are you suggesting the government was responsible for the bombings?
Oh, trust me, Claire. They didn't do it alone. They're all in on it. The government, Albion, Sirs, Bloom, Sky Bloody Larson, and all the way up to Downing Street. They want to keep us scared, harness us with mind control, suck every last ounce of usefulness out of us, and even in death they'll sell off our bodies.
And what do you suggest we do, Crypto King?
Go underground. Deep enough, no electric signal can get you. It's the only way.
I Jack.
Shit. The situation is worse than I thought. Brilliant. Let's get the people of London on board.
Oh Lord. Oh, I gotta have a drone. Okay, first one. This guy, well, extra fashion diamonds. The kid is a drone specialist. already got a drone specialist. I got a black guy and a black girl. Yeah.
Glad to see you're alive. If you're still committed to the cause, DedSec needs you. I'll send you the coordinates to our last safe house. Meet me there.
Fine.
I cannot even enter a car. Is that normal, baby?
You cannot enter a car?
Oh, I had to be. The driving is not that bad, you know. You just have to be good at it.
Are your documents in order? Is your visa valid? Failure to possess valid status documents is a crime. Albion personnel are authorized to use force. Always
I've downloaded a patch to your optics so you can access our security system. It's set up so that I can't just let someone who isn't DedSec in. You will have to do the manual override.
Secret passages and hidden bases. Oh, I fucking miss this shit.
Eu sei como a tropa gosta de fazer dinheiro. Yeah. Epá, você sabe que eu quando te telefono é só para dinheiro. E eu quero lá saber se tem alguém. Ó, paparazzi, me bula uma cena fixe. Estava aqui a falar com a Canuca, ela disse, olha, diz no paparazzi que tem mais 100. Se ele conseguir fazer o coisa, né? O azimuth da cena, né? Se tu conseguires fazer o mambo assim da cena, vai estar, como é que é? Nós vamos fazer, eu tipo vou adiar a viagem para o Brasil, estás a entender? Yeah, tipo, vou adiar a viagem para o Brasil. E o que é que eu vou fazer? vou fazer o meu programa agora, né? Então, com as mesmas duas fotografias que tu utilizaste, a minha e da Guida,
Open sesame.
né? Eu vou te mandar a informação e tu fazes uma coisa assim similar, estás a entender, né? Uma assim similar, porque nós vamos começar agora o Spring Program, estás a entender, né? Então, eu te mando já a informação toda,
Let's find the power then.
estás a entender, né? Eu mando-te já
In today's episode
a
of
informação
Beeple
toda
Code, we're talking about
e
how
tu
Bagley
boles assim,
managed to
um de
solve
leve, estás a ver? Aquele tipo que
job.
fizeste, que não te custa muito, que você pode fazer no telefone ou qualquer coisa, você que sabe como é que você vai fazer o mamo, tá entendendo, né? Eu te mando já o square, eu te mando já o square do programa, estás a entender? Te mando já os mambos todos que tens de escrever, eu vou me preparar já e mandar já tudo que tens de pôr no flyer, né? As classes e não sei o quê, mando-te aquele mambo, yeah, e mando-te a massa também, já agora, yeah, eu mando-te aquilo muito rápido, ok? Eu sei que vou mandar agora. Eu sei que aquilo vai já sair agora. Vou mandar agora. Guida, caralho. Põe já o programa aí, prepara já tudo. Paparazzi vai ter que viajar amanhã, porra. Manda já tudo agora. Manda tudo agora. O Spring, ok? Paparazzi, vou te mandar o programa agora. Guida tá a escrever tudo agora. Tá fixe? Tá bem. Tá. Obrigado, meu mano. Tchau. Tchau. Guida, don't fuck with me, girl. We need to think about, write the schedule down. You're thinking, you're writing. Yeah. Yeah. The classes that are not fully attended, we can do a less program this time. Makes sense? Yeah. We can take some classes off. Leave more room for privates. Makes sense, right? Like, for example, we can just do a Wednesday. Yeah, take out the advance on Monday. Yeah. But do we have students of salsa?
Well, so maybe it could be salsa bachata the same day. You only want Tahashina and leave, for example, the Thursday night private. The Tuesday for now, the girl is not doing the classes. Still leave it open if she wants to.
Now let's make a shorter schedule so that way you can have time to work. Yeah.
This is London Calling. You're listening
We
to
can even
Buccaneer.
take the salsa bachata classes off
What they don't want you to
and
know.
we keep it on privates, yeah.
And this time we're giving a special shout out from us to the boy.
I know, but then we can put them back on. Okay, so Monday we don't teach, okay? Monday we don't teach because we're gonna come back from Toronto, okay?
In today's world, we've all had to get used to our every move being tracked by the optic on our temples.
So we make a full schedule.
And with every click we make online, seems like everything we do feels
We make a full schedule.
Why are data giants like Blue so
Let's go, start writing, my girl. The name of the schedule is...
No DedSec registration detected. Identify yourself or I'll seal the exit, hack your optic, and read you every drunken email you ever wrote until you starve.
And you'll have to explain my untimely demise to
Yeah.
Sabine.
Sabine's alive? Well, that's one piece of good news.
The name of the schedule is... Man, I cannot focus.
And it seems I've been out of commission for a few
Yeah,
months.
wait a minute.
Anyway, why don't you go connect me to the DedSec network so I can become more powerful than you could possibly imagine? I mean, catch up on what I missed.
I gotta put my thoughts up, you know what I'm saying? The name of the program is Spring, right? Spring, we can put
That's it. I'm reconnected to the network. Downloading our database, news archives, and oh no. Terrorist group DedSec responsible for deadly bombings in London.
Yeah.
Dalton Wolf dead.
Spring.
I leave you people alone for a second and you
Spring,
immediately cock it all up.
Kizomba.
That's the shape of it. What I want to know is if it wasn't DedSec who did the bombings, who was it?
There's a gap in my memory after Dalton, well, let's be honest, after I disarmed the bomb at Parliament. I'm missing information about what happened after I was taken offline. But from what I can infer, an unknown hacker group identified only as Zero.
Okay, guys. I gotta go.